Samsung is poised to revolutionize the tablet market with its highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This premium device is designed to deliver an unparalleled user experience, combining cutting-edge technology with sleek aesthetics. At the heart of the Tab S10 Ultra lies a massive, high-resolution display that offers stunning visuals for everything from media consumption to productivity tasks. The device's advanced connectivity options, including 5G support, ensure seamless internet access and lightning-fast downloads. Under the hood, a powerful processor guarantees smooth performance, even when handling demanding applications and multitasking. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a premium tablet designed for productivity and entertainment. It features a massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, significantly larger than its predecessor, the Tab S9 Ultra. This expansive screen provides ample space for multitasking, allowing users to work on multiple tasks simultaneously without feeling cramped. The display boasts vibrant colors, excellent brightness, and superior viewing angles, ensuring a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or editing photos, the Tab S10 Ultra's display delivers exceptional visuals. Building upon the successful design of the Tab S9 Ultra, the Tab S10 Ultra introduces subtle yet impactful refinements. The bezels surrounding the display have been slightly reduced, creating a more immersive and visually captivating viewing experience. These narrower bezels not only enhance the overall aesthetics, but also maximize the screen-to-body ratio, allowing for a more expansive canvas for content consumption. One of the standout features of the Tab S10 Ultra is the inclusion of dual USB Type-C ports. This significant upgrade significantly expands the device's connectivity options, offering users greater flexibility and versatility. With dual USB Type-C ports, users can simultaneously connect multiple peripherals, such as external storage devices, keyboards, or mice, without compromising functionality. This enhanced connectivity empowers users to seamlessly integrate the Tab S10 Ultra into their workflow, making it a powerful tool for productivity, content creation, and entertainment. Samsung's commitment to innovation extends to the Tab S10 Ultra's dedicated AI key. This unique feature offers quick access to smart features and tools, enhancing user efficiency and convenience. While the exact functionalities remain to be unveiled, the AI key promises to streamline various tasks and provide a more personalized experience. Under the hood, the Tab S10 Ultra is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. This high-performance chip, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, ensures smooth multitasking and seamless execution of demanding applications. Additionally, the Tab S10 Ultra supports 45-watt fast charging, ensuring minimal. The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is expected to make its debut in October 2024. While the precise pricing details have yet to be officially announced, it's reasonable to speculate that the device will be positioned in the premium segment, potentially aligning with the price point of its predecessor. Given Samsung's reputation for introducing flagship devices with premium price tags, the Tab S10 Ultra is likely to reflect this trend. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra promises to redefine the tablet experience with its impressive array of features. A standout feature is its expansive display, which is expected to offer a larger, more immersive viewing area compared to previous generations. Coupled with high-resolution technology, this display is likely to deliver stunning visuals for everything from watching movies and playing games to browsing the web and working on documents. In terms of connectivity, the Tab S10 Ultra is anticipated to offer advanced options, including support for high-speed 5G networks. This will enable users to enjoy faster download speeds, reduced latency, and seamless streaming experiences, even on the go. Additionally, the device is likely to feature robust Wi-Fi capabilities, ensuring reliable internet connectivity in various environments. Under the hood, the Tab S10 Ultra is expected to be powered by a cutting-edge processor, delivering exceptional performance for demanding tasks. Whether it's handling resource-intensive apps, multitasking seamlessly, or gaming at high settings, the device's powerful hardware is anticipated to deliver a smooth and responsive user experience. To enhance productivity and versatility, the Tab S10 Ultra is likely to incorporate innovative features such as stylus support. This will allow users to write, draw, and annotate on the screen with precision, making it a valuable tool for creative professionals and students alike. Additionally, the device may feature advanced camera capabilities, enabling users to capture high-quality photos and videos.